Plum Guide Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll review Plum Guide, a premium vacation rental platform that handpicks the best homes through a rigorous selection process. Links to the platform are in the description below. Unlike Airbnb or Vrbo, where listings vary in quality, Plum Guide ensures that only the top 3% of properties in each destination make it onto the platform, providing a high-end, consistent booking experience for travelers who prioritize quality. What makes Plum Guide different is its meticulous vetting process. Each property goes through a 150-point test, covering design, amenities, Wi-Fi speed, noise levels, and even shower pressure. This ensures that every listing meets a high standard, making it ideal for luxury travelers, digital nomads, and families looking for a hassle-free stay. The platform offers rentals in major cities and vacation hotspots worldwide, with homes ranging from stylish apartments to grand villas. Plum Guide also eliminates guesswork. Instead of sorting through thousands of listings with unreliable reviews, you get a curated selection of homes tested by experts. Each listing includes detailed descriptions, professional photos, and transparent pricing, ensuring there are no surprises. Additionally, their dedicated concierge team assists with recommendations, special requests, and personalized services, adding an extra layer of convenience. One key downside is that Plum Guide properties tend to be more expensive than standard vacation rentals. However, you're paying for quality assurance, a seamless booking experience, and homes that meet the highest hospitality standards. It's also worth noting that availability may be limited compared to larger rental platforms, so flexibility with dates and locations is essential. Overall, Plum Guide is perfect for travelers who want a guaranteed high-quality stay without the risk of misleading listings or subpar accommodations. If you value luxury, reliability, and a hassle-free booking process, this platform is worth considering. Check the links in the description to explore Plum Guide and find your next exceptional stay.